Oh, fancy. You love your rope toy. Okay, here. And play. Oh, that's the wrong end. Here. Okay. We can play tug. So I think this is a game I'm going to lose. What do you think? We weigh about the same. But I'm pretty sure your teeth might give you an advantage for holding on to things. Okay, you ready? Ready for the catch? Go long. Go long. Go long. Okay, just don't swing it around and get Jack. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Good catch. Going for the spin. Oh, you love the spin. Oh, fancy footwork. Snazzy. Okay, one more. Okay, ready? Back up. Back up. Go get it. Good girl. Oh. You got it? All right. Do you want to tug or do you want to catch? Aha, I got the good part with the knot on it. Okay, back up. Back up. It's rather amusing, isn't it, Jack? Okay, back up. Back up. Back up. Oh, we gotta go this way so we don't hit anything. Come on, this way. Over there. Okay. Stay. Stay. Okay, this is it. Big moment. Big catch. Good girl. We'll call that a deflection. Nice. Good work. All right. Oh, you got the ball now. Hey, you're using your feet. You got 2 extra feet to use on this. Oh, boy. Okay, that was a bad idea. Yep. Nope. Mom's not down. Thank you. She bounced off the chair in the doorway. Yeah, you're coming in to see the amusement now. Somehow I knew that would happen. Okay, back up. Okay, one more. You ready? Okay. What do you think, Ellie? That was a pretty close call there, Jack, with the swing. Yeah. What do you think? Ellie's going to check out the toy box, see what else. Okay, one more. Okay, we're not playing the tug thing again. Ready? Get it. Good catch. Oh, Ellie's brought Rainbow. Jack's patiently washing. Ooh, nice toss. Good girls. Good boy, Jack. What's that all about? Well, go get it. I can't throw it if it's over there. Okay, all right. Here we go. Ellie, you might want to back up. You might want to back up, yeah. Oh, the 3 amigos. There we are. Everybody together. The 3 musketeers. Okay, just be careful with Jack, okay? Oh, no. Oh, squirrel! Totally sidetracked. And the game is over. All right, well, I think we best head to the snack cupboard. I think that's what Jack's idea is, so. All right, onward to snacks.